How to download Fortnite on iOS. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to download Fortnite on your iOS device. Stick around till the end to ensure you don't miss any critical details. Let's get started. Open the Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website by typing xbox.com/play into the address bar. To make it easier to access, add Xbox Cloud Gaming to your home screen. Tap the share icon in Safari. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen from the menu. After adding it to your home screen, tap the Xbox icon to launch it like an app. Tap on Profile icon at the top right. Here, sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Once logged in, search for Fortnite in the Xbox Cloud Gaming library. Tap on Fortnite, and you'll see a Play button. Open Fortnite from the library and start playing using the cloud service. And that's how you can download and play Fortnite on iOS. It's a quick and reliable way to enjoy the game, even with the current restrictions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.